In today's quick and short tutorial, we'll show you how to fix Google not working on your Android phone. Maybe it's the Google Chrome app not working, or the actual Chrome browser. Either way, I'm going to show you a couple of things to do that should sort out the issue. The steps are pretty much the same regardless of your make and model of Android. Start by opening up your settings and scroll down to your apps. Open up your apps list. Scroll down to UC Chrome and click on it. Click on Force Stop and confirm it. Now click on Storage Usage. When storage usage opens, select Manage Space or Data. Inside Chrome Storage, select Clear All Data, and hit OK to confirm. Press the back button and now click on Clear Cache. Wait for the cache to clear. This may take several moments. Now go back to your apps list, and scroll down to where you see Google, and click on it. Just like with the Chrome app, click on Force Stop, and confirm it. Again, click on Storage Usage and once inside, click on Clear Data. Hit OK to clear the data. If the option to clear the cache is still available, clear it, otherwise that should be the steps completed to get Google working again. Go back to your home screen, and try both the Chrome app and Google browser. Are they both working? If not, sometimes a simple restart of your phone is all that's needed to make these changes take effect.